Welcome to our channel, where we bring you honest and detailed product reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. Before we dive into the review, please note that the link to purchase the KEMOVE P10 2-in-1 switch puller keycap puller at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This handy tool is a must-have for any mechanical keyboard enthusiast looking to simplify the process of removing and replacing switches and keycaps. The KEMOVE P10 stands out with its innovative semi-automatic switch puller design, which significantly reduces finger strain often experienced with traditional pullers. Instead of gripping metal clamps, this tool allows easy alignment and effortless switch removal, making keyboard customization and cleaning much more comfortable. According to tests with the KEMOVE K68 keyboard, it can save you 15 to 20 minutes during switch removal, which is a considerable time saver for those who frequently modify their setups. Durability is another strong suit of the P10. Constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel and manganese steel, it offers excellent wear resistance and corrosion protection, ensuring it can withstand heavy use over time without degrading. This build quality means you're investing in a tool that lasts. Compatibility is broad, supporting almost all hot-swappable mechanical keyboard switches, including popular brands like Gatron, Akko, Cherry MX, Kale, and Razer, among others. This makes the P10 a versatile choice for nearly any mechanical keyboard. Additionally, the keycap puller is designed to handle a wide range of keycap sizes, from standard 1U keys to larger 6.25U keys, providing safe and hassle-free removal without damaging your keycaps. However, while the P10 excels in many areas, it may feel a bit bulky for users who prefer a more compact puller for travel or on-the-go use. Also, those who rarely change their keyboard switches might find the investment less essential. In summary, the KEMOVE P10 2-in-1 switch puller keycap puller is a reliable, durable, and efficient tool that makes mechanical keyboard maintenance easier and faster. If you're serious about keyboard customization or cleaning, this is a worthwhile addition to your toolkit. Don't forget, the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to grab a great deal.